Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen of Nissin easy method. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a small pot and prepare your toppings. Add the noodle block, bring the water back to a simmer, then open and sprinkle the seasoning packet into the pot. Stir gently so the noodles separate and absorb flavor. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, adjust broth to taste, then plate and garnish. Warm and simple, this step gives your Nissin Ramen more personality without extra fuss. Prepare a soft boiled egg while the noodles cook and chill it briefly for easy peeling. Toss in quick veggies like spinach or corn in the last minute so they stay bright and tender. A drizzle of sesame oil or a few drops of chili oil adds fragrance and depth. Taste and tweak before serving. Making ramen fast should still feel safe and satisfying, and a few shortcuts help. If you have cooked chicken or tofu, slice and warm it in the pot just before serving to add protein. Microwaving water works in a pinch, but stop and stir to avoid sudden boil overs. To lower salt, use half the seasoning packet and boost flavor with fresh herbs or a squeeze of citrus for balance and brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.